Okay, this type of lantern is kind of tricky to remove the light bulb. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so I figured go ahead create a video for this. I bought a external camera, and I wanted to hardwire it so that the battery does not need to be taken down and recharged. And so there's a socket adapter where it can convert the regular 110 to a USB at the same time provide power. But the whole point of this video here is to basically show you how to take out the light bulb. There are two screws over here, one and then two on the other side. So first you have to remove these two, so this entire assembly will go up, and then once it's up, loosen up, there's another one screw right here and then another screw on the other side. So you just unscrew that, and then the entire assembly from here to all the way down here would be able to lift up, and then that's how you're able to change the light bulb. Well, in my situation is replace the light bulb and add the socket in there. So it's a little rough video here, but thought maybe be helping somebody out there trying to replace a lantern light bulb here.